everyone, welcome to English classes, and this video we are studying about new Headway beginner introduction everyone, and we are going to study unit 11. Okay, we can do it. Okay, we can do it. Okay, we can do it, meaning ability. Okay, meaning ability. Okay, let's start to learn everyone. We can do it. Okay, we can do it. Grammar. Can, cut. Adverb of manner. Okay, and this unit we are going to study grammar, can, cut. Adverb of manner. Okay, vocabulary, adjective plus noun. Vocabulary, adjective plus noun. Everyday English, everyday problems. Okay, reading the smartphone. Okay, and we are going to listening. What can you do on your smartphone? Okay, what can you do on your smartphone? Okay, continue everyone. What are you a good day at? Okay, what are you good at? Tick. Okay, what are you good at? Tick. Okay, and like you good at like singing, you tick. You good like making cake, tick. If you good dancing, tick. If you good swimming, tick. Okay, if you good playing computer game, tick. Okay, if you good playing musical instrument, tick. Okay, and if you good at anyone, okay, you tick. Okay, sing. Like singing, making cakes, dancing, swimming. Okay, playing computer game, playing musical instrument. Okay, you tick if you good. Okay, and this you do yourself. Okay, and this you do yourself. Okay, continue everyone. 2. Work with a partner. Work with a partner. Talking about you are and art good at. Okay. Okay, you can say I'm good at dancing, but I'm not at singing. Okay. And everyone can say another sentence. Okay. I am good at swimming, but I'm not good at play the guitar. Okay, you can say another sentence. Okay, by yourself. Okay, and this you can make your sentence by yourself. Okay, if you good and if you not good. Okay. 3. Find 2 activities. Okay, find 2 activities you both good at. Okay, find 2 activities you both good at. Okay, for example, you both good at dancing. Okay, you both good at dancing. You both good at swimming. Okay, you can make another sentence. Okay, for example, you both good at swimming. You both good at play football. Okay. Okay, and continue. We are going to watch the video introduction. Okay, let's start to watch everyone.
Welcome to Unit 11. Are you good at making things? This unit has a video about a craft show where people make amazing objects. In this unit, you will also learn how to ask for and offer things.
Can I give you a lift?
Can you tell me the time?
Do you have a smartphone? How often do you use it? I use my smartphone all the time to make phone calls, surf the net, play games, and listen to music. In reading and speaking, you will read all about the history of the smartphone and its different uses. In vocabulary and speaking, we will look at adjectives and nouns that go together. For example, we don't say delicious sport. We say delicious food. What do you say when you are late for your English class? How about when you are lost? In everyday English, we will focus on phrases you can use to talk about everyday problems. Missed a class? Go online to learn and practice. Have fun! See you soon!